Hey y'all, we're gonna jump right in the unit. I'll be rocking from HerGivenHair. They sent some goodies with the unit. This is their kinky bye bye leave out thin apart wig. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like. It has the clips around the opening, and I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna go ahead and install it. This is the cap, really nice construction, really thick. You see it has the adjustable bands, comb, everything that you need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it down, because I'm just going to like refresh it a bit because it's straight out of the packaging. I'm going to apply some mousse to it just to get the curls popping. This unit is in 18 inches. It's 195 grams, so it's super full and thick, and this isn't a kinky texture. It does come in different textures as well. So look at the texture, y'all. HerGivenHair, y'all already know they always have some beautiful natural hair units. So as you guys know, I have micro locks, so I will be installing this over my micro locks. So I am going to have to tweak it just a little differently, but I am parting out my locks into a side part because I want to try a side part first. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just going to put my hair into the cap. Alright, so you have to take some scissors and cut the little parting open. So that's just what I'm doing. Y'all see it comes right apart. Really nice construction. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head and get it situated. So y'all see it comes with the clip-in clips. I have micro locks. My locks are too small to use those clips. So just keep that in mind. If you're loose natural, you can use those clips, but I am not going to be able to use those clips because I have micro locks. So this is going to be for my girlies that have micro locks, but my girls that are loose natural, you can use the clips. So I'm showing y'all how the clips work, but that's uncomfortable for me. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin and I'm just going to literally put it in the parting. And that's how I'm going to go ahead and close it up, because I don't want the clips digging into my locks like that, because I could damage my locks and I don't play that. So this is another way that you can wear this unit. So obviously we're not going to be doing any leave out. So I'm just going to go ahead and fluff it. And my part is a little bit more wide because of my locks. So you just want to tease it around the part. Obviously, if you're loose natural, you can bring the wig a little bit closer together to get a smaller part, but this is just what I had to do for my head, and I feel like it still turned out really, really nice. I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my edges so when the wind blows, you know, everything looks really seamless. But this unit is really easy to install. It's beginner friendly. Y'all see how natural that looks like? Even with me having locks, it still looks really nice, really good, and I love that. Look how full it is from the back. And this is just what it looks like from the front. Super, super pretty. Really, really love it. It turned out really nice. Let's go ahead and get into the part. So this is a more up close look. You can't really see the bobby pins, and y'all see how natural it looks. Love that. So y'all already know I have to go ahead and try a middle part because I felt like it was just going to suit better too, especially because I have locks. So I just repositioned my hair, parted my locks down the middle as much as possible because you know my hair is on a grid. So yeah, and then I'm just going to do the same thing with the bobby pin and pin it into place. And like I said earlier, this is just a little bit more comfortable for me. You don't see the bobby pins. You just kind of like tease the hair. That way they don't show. So yeah, but like I said, if you're natural, loose natural, you can go ahead and just use the clips. So y'all see I'm just teasing it. And it looks better in the middle part. Like I feel like it looks better on me in the middle part. It looks really nice. I'm just fluffing it. The parting looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. So yeah, I got it as close as I could. But I really love this unit. Like it's such a nice switch up. From me having my locks, it still shows that I can still do different styles. Look at the versatility in it. Look at the parting. HerGivenHair, y'all did a good job with this parting. Really love it. Love the fact that it's no leave out. Like you don't got to worry about dealing with your hair. And look at how seamless that is. You can lift it up and put it right back down and boom, bam. Okay, you guys, as you guys know, this unit is from HerGivenHair. This is their Bye Bye Leave Out V-part wig. It is in the kinky 4B 4C texture. It's in 18 inches And y'all know, I'm not sure what the density is, but I know it's like thick. Okay, y'all see, this is some full hair. The density will be in the description box below, but this is some full hair. Y'all know I've been reviewing their units for years, still top tier quality, even after years later. So thumbs up for HerGivenHair on that. So as you guys know, if you don't know, a V-part wig is basically like an easier form of a wig that you can wear. Typically with V-part wigs, you will leave like some of your, or U-part, V-part, whatever you want to call it, you will leave out some of your hair. But with this particular unit, you do not have to leave out any of your hair. As you guys know, I do have micro locks, so this is perfect for me or whatever, but I did have to go ahead and install mine a little bit different. As you guys can see, it does come with the wig combs, but unfortunately I cannot dig those down into my micro locks, because my micro locks are really small, and I don't want to take any chance of ripping my micro locks or damaging them or anything like that. If you have a more thicker lock or a traditional lock, you can definitely probably use the clips, but with me, I just didn't want to take that risk. But I still wanted to go ahead and show you guys how you could install it. So I just used closed bobby pins, and it worked just as good. Because y'all know, like with wig combs, they have like little teeth. So I didn't want to like dig those into my micro locks. Now, if I was a loose natural, so those of you guys that are loose naturals, you can definitely go ahead and just clip, you know, the clips into your hair. It's just like the clip ins. You could go ahead and do that. But just in the state of my hair, I don't want to do that. So for you girls that are locked out here, I just want to let you know that you can definitely still rock this unit, because y'all see it's on my head. So yeah, you can still go ahead and switch it up and wear a wig if you want to, which, you know, us lock girlies still have that versatility. So I definitely love that. And I'm not sure, you might can see him a little bit, but that doesn't bother me much. But yeah, I just went ahead and did it that way. I feel like this unit looks better on me in the middle part. I tried to do the side part, but for whatever reason, my part spacing on my side part is a little bit more wide. So I was kind of like struggling to get the part as slim as possible. So I was like, okay, it looks cute, but let me go ahead and shift it to a middle part. And I feel like this looks a lot better for me. Or whatever, which I think it looks a lot better. But like I said, for those of you that are still loose natural, you can definitely go ahead and use the combs. This just works a lot better for me. But I am still happy that I was able to go ahead and make the unit work for my head. I love that. I love the fullness of this hair. I love the quality. The quality is definitely still there. You can go ahead and shape it up. I was originally going to cut this unit a little bit, but then I was like, no, because if I want to wear it in the middle part, if I want to wear it in the side part, it might look a little weird once I cut it. So I went against cutting it, but it still turned out really super cute. So I love that about the unit. Like, it looks really good. Like, if the wind blows, you know, it's going to give a look. It's going to give a vibe. So I really, really love the construction of this unit. I love the fact, like I said, I'm going to keep saying it, but I love the fact that I can rock this unit with my micro locks. But if you have micro locks like me, I would recommend just using a bobby pin. It's going to work really good. The unit is stuck on my head. It's not coming off. Y'all see? It's literally not going anywhere with this unit. All you have to do is tease around the hairline to give you that leave out look. And then also, I know for this video they didn't want me to do it, but you can also put 2 anchor braids, you know, right here, and then you can like crochet it. That'll be really nice and comfortable, and I feel like you can wear that for a lot of days. So the next time I install this unit, I definitely will be doing a crochet method, because that's more of like my speed. That's what I like. But for this particular video, they didn't want me to do that, which I understand, because they want y'all to see how the unit works, exactly how it works. And I totally respect that. I totally get that. But that's just how I will be going ahead and applying it in the future. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and rate the unit. The quality, the construction is really, really good, really A1. So I'm going to rate this unit a 10 out of 10. HerGivenHair, y'all, I've done it again. We love the option of the bye, no leave out, because it's a perfect protective style. So you don't have to like keep blending your hair every day, keep manipulating your hair. You don't have to do any of those things. You can just put the unit on, do a middle part, a side part, a deep side part. It gives you that versatility that some of you guys may be looking for. So I love that. So thumbs up, HerGivenHair. Everything about the unit that I'm rocking will be in the description box below. The link to HerGivenHair and all of their products will be in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.